Hello, I'm Soumya. Directions. Read the given information and answer the questions that follow. There are 6 check posts A, B, C, D, E and F. Check post F is 15 km to the north of D, which is 25 km to the northeast of B. Check post A is 5 km west of E and 15 km to southwest of C. B, A and E are the straight line and in the same sequence, and the check post B and E are 30 km apart from each other. And the question is, which check post is the farthest to the southwest of D? Now, the solution. In the question, we can clearly see that the check post F is 15 km to the north of D. Say, D is here somewhere and F is 15 km north. Now, D is 25 km to the northeast of B. Northeast of B, that means somewhere here. Now, the statement 4. B, A and E are in straight line and in the same sequence. So we can clearly see that B, then somewhere between here is A and then is E. In fifth statement, the check post B and E are 30 km apart from each other. So the distance from B to E is 30 km. Check post A is 5 km west of E. They are both separated by 5 km, so the distance between B and A is 25 km. Also, check post A is 15 km to the southwest of C. For A to be southwest, C should be somewhere here. Now, from this statement, the question, that is, which check post is the farthest to the southwest of D? From here, the point D is here, and the farthest southwest point is B. So, the answer is option number 2. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Soumya. Directions. Read the following information and answer the questions that follow. 1. There are 6 check posts A, B, C, D, E and F. 2. Check post F is 15 km to the north of D, which is 25 km to the northeast of B. 3. Check post A is 5 km west of E and 15 km to the southwest of C. B, A and E are in straight line and in the same sequence. 5. The check post B and E are 30 km apart from each other. Now the question is, which post is the nearest and to the northwest of E? Solution. North, south, west, east. So this is northeast, this is northwest, this is southwest, and this is southeast. From the previous question, the graph is Now, in the question, the post that is nearest and to the northwest of E, from point E northwest, that is in this direction, and nearest is option number 4, that is D. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे. Hello, I'm Samya. Directions. Read the given information and answer the questions that follow. 1. There are 6 check posts A, B, C, D, E and F. 2. Check post F is 15 kilometers to the north of D, which is 25 kilometers to the northeast of D. 3. Check post A is 5 kilometers west of E and 15 kilometers to the southwest of C. 4. B, A and E are in straight line and in the same sequence. 5. The check post B and E are 30 kilometers apart from each other. Now the question is, if a jeeve moves from E to F via A, B, D, how much distance it will have to cover? Solution. Now from the previous question, we can clearly state that the graph is B 25 kilometers, A 25 kilometers and E another 5 kilometers and C is somewhere here 15 kilometers. So let's go back to the question. If the jeep has to go to F from point E via A, B and D, how much distance it will have to cover? Now let's count. 5 plus 25 is 30. 30 plus 25 plus 15 is 70. So from E to A equals 5. A to B equals 25. B to D equals 25 and D to F equals 15. For the total distance, we have to add all these distances. So, the answer is option number 1. Thank you. करके दिखाएंगे.